Hello, how are you today? Hello, how are you today? Hello, how are you today? No, I don't be owl. Hello, how are you today? Hello, how are you today? I'm a pig. How are you today? Hello.
Well, she was very pretty.
How are you?
Oh, I'm fine.
How are you?
I'm fine.
How are you?
I'm fine, really. How are you?
Pretty bird.
Yes, you are a very pretty bird. But let's get...
Hi. 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 Hi.
Shut up! You! Why do I have to shut up? Be quiet! You be quiet! You shut up!
Oh, you gonna drag me now? I will drag you. You gonna drag me? I'll drag you. Oh, drag me, Monique. All right, drag me. No, drag me. Please don't. Please don't do it.
People on TikTok go viral for literally the dumbest reasons possible. Like, watch this. That was just 1,000 views.
Oh, hi there, friend. It's me, your human. I take care of yous, cause you're a little baby. Let me give you your boobs. Boop.
Good girl.
Are you done?
Oh, hi there, friend. It's me, your human. I take care of yous, cause you're a little baby. Let me give you your boobs. Boop. That's right. Boop.
Are you sad?
I'm not sad. Are you sad? Alright, we're gonna sing a song. You wanna sing a song? Here we go. Very nice. Very nice.
I love you.
Midtime. What side it out? Stop it. Give me this. Fuck side.
What are you doing?
Shh. What? What?
This is a loaf of floof bread. It is made out of floof and evil.
Phone's ringing. You need to answer that. I think it's a telemarketer. Come over and grab it. What do you say?
Shut up!
You're a great singer. Yes, you are. Oh, boy.
Okay, here, you can have it. Here, you can have it back. Kai, here, you can have it back. Here, you don't want it anymore? Huh? Throwing a fit? Here. Yeah. There. Calm down? Did you calm down? Little chicken wing? Give him a kiss. Give him a kiss. Give him a kiss.
Things in my house that are in desperate need of attention. Me.
Sir, excuse me, sir. Boop. Thank you. Hello, sir. I just need a favor, real quick. Boop. Thank you. Hello, yes, sir. Boop. Thank you. Excuse me, sir. Sir, do you have a moment for a few words?
Hi.
Hi.
Hello.
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 Hi, baby.
Hello. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Wow, good job. Happy birthday.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Hi, Amazon.
Red. Good boy. Good boy. Salvador, yellow. Good boy. Very clever. And then we'll put a few out, shall we? Yellow. Good boy. This one. Blue. Red. Good boy.
Why are you hiding? What's wrong? Are you having a bad morning? Oh, it's okay. He's so mad. I don't know what happened. What did I do? All right. Sorry.
Great night.
I love you.
What are you saying? Are you serious?
Keeps biting me. Hurt my foot. Ow! What are you doing? You're not a pigeon. Get off the floor. Are you fucking kidding me? Bro, why did you poop in my water?